Here are 3 ways that dental implants can help you live a better life. Number 1, if you have no teeth, we can do a denture, at least 4 implants, and screw in your denture, and now your life has changed considerably. People love the feeling of having teeth that don't move. Now you can bite into something, it's not gonna flip. You can put your tongue and feel your palate, where instead of having a plastic thing up there, acrylic. Number 2, you're able now to eat different things. And now your diet has changed. Now you can eat things that you used to eat and have a better health. You are now eating better quality foods, meat, corn, nuts. These are things that help improve people's health. Better quality foods. The 3rd way that implants can better your life is socially. You want to go to specific functions, weddings, and things like that, and look good and be able to eat foods. If you have a nice smile and you go to a job, I think that really helps. When you get an implant, let's just talk about the all-on-4 with a denture. Those teeth that they make today, they're made out of zirconia. And the gums and the teeth look like real teeth. If you're missing teeth and you're looking at possibly doing any type of implant, whether you're missing 1 tooth or several teeth, or if you need all your teeth removed, we invite you here to Mantis Dentistry and Implant Center. If you've been told that you need an implant or you're interested in implants, come to our office and we will set you on the right path.